Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set a custom wallpaper on Black Shark Pad SE. So first of all, hold your finger down on an empty space of your home screen, then go to Wallpaper and Style. Then select where you want to place your wallpaper. It can be either your lock screen or home screen. Tap Change Wallpaper. Then you're gonna have to select My Photos and find the photo that you downloaded. Select it and then position it as your wallpaper. So you can adjust the position and scale using pinching gestures. And once you are happy about it, tap OK. Then we can also adjust the wallpaper on the lock screen in the very same way. And once you are ready, just tap Set Wallpaper and tap Set to confirm. Okay, don't worry. Right now we can check out our new wallpaper. So this is what it looks like on the lock screen, and this is the home screen version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.